Alright, this is double stacker.
Take one.
Stunnerville.com, let's do this. Yeah, take that shit down, motherfucker. Take that shit down. Don't be a bitch. Fucking chew, motherfucker. Better get those crumbs out my goddamn chair.
Swallow. Push it in.
Hurry up! 10 seconds. There you go. There you go.
What? Beer?
Beer. Here, take a sip of that. There you go.
He gonna take a sip of it.
Oh, I hate that shit.
Drink.
Dude, you got 30 seconds. Let's go.